So I want to talk to you about highlights from this last trip that I went on, including packing trips. Hey, Peter Nielsen. And this is the visqueen that I use. I put it over my garments so that the garments come out of the suitcase. They've had less pressure, which is one of the things that wrinkles clothes. And then I hang them in the shower right away and turn the hot water on in the shower. I also favor a lot of humidity when I'm traveling, not only because I'm a professional speaker, but I know it helps me stay healthy. I haven't had a cold, ladies and gentlemen, in over 3 years, even a cold. I've had some low energy days, but nothing you could describe as the flu or a cold. And part of the reason for that is I keep good humidity in hotel rooms, especially during the winter months. So now the shower's on, the clothes are hanging out of the visqueen now in the shower, and the humidity, I close the bathroom door, and then I open it while I unpack, right? And the humidity's coming into the room. It's moisturizing my mucous membranes, and the clothes are getting whatever wrinkles they had in them are just falling away. Alicia writes, a visit to the British Library in London to track down documents on your ancestors. Great. Now you're from the United Kingdom, Alicia, so you actually had to take a trip to get to London? Remind me. You said it was totally amazing. You could live there. Do you mean you could live in London or you could live in the library? You feel more intelligent just by being in the building. Yeah, I agree. And you know, that's another tip on these trips is you got to get out of the hotel. You got to go do stuff other than what you went there for, especially if you're a road warrior like I am. Second packing trip, this is how I pack my clothes. Not all of them, but many of them. And this is a t-shirt, everybody. And so same thing with underwear. Socks, of course, are all balled up tight, tucked into the tennis shoes. I do carry shoe trees on the road because I take care of my feet and I take care of my shoes. Shoes last a lot longer if you can wick the moisture out of the inside. I always wear my shoes out from the well, let's say outside in, right? Because I really do take care of the inside of my shoes. I never wear the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row. And unfortunately, thanks to Renee, who's taught me a little bit more about fashion, you know, it turns out if you wear a navy blue suit, you should wear brown shoes. I was raised always to wear dark shoes and dark socks with dark suits. But today, people are wearing brown shoes with blue suits. So you have to not only bring the brown shoes, you have to bring a brown belt. You can also wear cordovan shoes, which are the kind of the red tinged, almost maroon shoes, but then you have to wear a cordovan belt. It's very complicated. It's like being a woman now.